Toshiba Z670 Regza ZRI engine, 4K TV. Main features are refresh rate is 144 Hz native panel. Regza engine ZRI. Dolby Vision Atmos. Regza Power Audio Pro. AMD Free Synchronize. Best TV for gaming. Z670 UHD 4K Smart TV seamlessly blends into any gaming setup. Full Array Local Dimming Pro. Quantum Dot Color. Toshiba's Quantum Dot technology creates vivid, lifelike colors. Regza Engine ZRI is Toshiba's newly introduced AI revolutionary engine. Dolby Vision Gaming. Toshiba TV supports Dolby Vision HDR, HDR10 plus HLG. ALLM Auto Low Latency Mode, equipped with AMD Free Synchronize technology. Wide Viewing Angle. Upscaling 120 Hz to 240 high frame rate. 3D surround sound, true bass booster, and advanced audio software technologies. Filmmaker Mode. Smart TV OS. Far Field Voice Control. Use your voice to watch live TV, search for titles, play music, switch inputs, control compatible smart home devices, and more. Free your hands at any moment. Crafted with a sleek and modern Japanese design. Gaming TV designed specifically for gamers who demand the highest level of performance and visual excellence.